Hi there, Nicholas Campion here from First Formations, and today I'm going to give you a rundown of how you can protect your business name. This video is part of our Whiteboard Thursday series, the series where we take a look at all of the aspects of running a limited company in the UK. So if you want to keep up to date and find out all there is to know about forming and administering companies, then hit that subscribe button. But for now, let's get started. So unincorporated businesses like sole traders and general partnerships have very limited protection for their chosen business name. Whether they're using their own given name or a particular trading name, anyone else can set up a business name and trade under that same name. There is good news though. The law of passing off can offer some assistance, and registering a trademark also provides more comprehensive protection. Many businesses also decide to form a limited company to add greater protection still. In this video, we're going to look at all three of these so that you know exactly what sort of protection is available to you. So first things first, what exactly is passing off? The only form of automatic protection available for unincorporated business names lies in the law of passing off. If one business, let's call it X, is established and has generated a certain amount of goodwill, that is brand recognition alongside customers who trust the business, that means a new business, we'll call it Y, should not be able to pass itself off as X. This is particularly true for competing businesses that operate in the same sector with the same potential customers. That means if company X sells apples and trades under the name ABC, then company Y should not attempt to trick customers and gain a market share by selling apples and also calling itself ABC. However, company Y can legitimately trade under the name ABC if it sells oranges, because it would be difficult to argue that Y is stealing the goodwill from X. It is worth noting that the law of passing off is often unsatisfactory, as it's not always easy to prove the intention to steal goodwill. That's why unincorporated businesses that want to gain more protection for their business name will often decide to form a limited company. And that's what we're going to look at next, how setting up a limited company can provide more protection for your chosen business name. Registering a company name at Companies House means that your chosen name can't be registered by any other business. But there are various company naming rules that you'll then need to comply with. For example, your name can't contain any sensitive words, and it must include the words limited or LTD, the abbreviation, at the end. Crucially, for the purposes of protecting a business name, your chosen name cannot be exactly the same as an existing company name. Even if the name is slightly different, it may not be permitted if it's deemed to be too similar to the other company name. Now, for the purposes of company naming, a name that is the same as is where the only difference to an existing name is certain punctuation or special characters, or perhaps words or characters that are commonly used in company names that are similar in appearance or meaning. We've also then got company names that are too alike. If someone complains that the chosen name is too similar to an existing company name, then Companies House will need to make a decision. If it's deemed to be too alike to the existing name, then the newly registered name may need to be changed. Remember, if you want to register a company name for the purposes of protecting your business name, First Formations provides a dedicated Reserve a Company Name package. Check out the link in the description to find out more. Finally, your third option to protect your business name is through trademark protection. A trademark provides the owner with exclusive rights to advertise or sell goods and services using this trademark, and the right to prevent others from using the same or similar trademarks to advertise their own products and services. A trademark can be a business name, brand name, word, logo, font, colour, or a combination of all of these. And in the UK, they are governed by the Trademarks Act of 1994. And that's it. So in this video, we've looked at the automatic protection that may be available through passing off, how forming a limited company can protect your business name, and the benefits of trademark protection. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And don't forget, if you want to be the first to receive new videos just like this one, then subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Cheerio.